Moving on, there's another stock that's in focus today, and that's Usher Agro. In fact, this has been one of the buzzing stocks that we've seen, at least in the recent times. Today as well, the stock is higher by 4.81%. In the last 1 week as well, this stock has gained significantly. We have the management now joining us, Mr. V.K. Chaturvedi, MD at Usher Agro. Thank you very much, Mr. Chaturvedi, for being with us here on NDTV Profit. Good to have you on the show today. Your stock has been buzzing way too much in the last couple of trading sessions. What's happening in the company right now?
I do not know why the stock is buzzing, but so far company is concerned, I can always brief you that what is happening. You know, we had a breakthrough in a technology that will change the industry forever in times to come, particularly the power project based on rice husk ash. You know, the rice husk is the best biomass, and once you burn and obtain energy, you'll end up getting ash. That ash is a big environment hazard. What to do and how to dispose of that ash. We have been working on this technology for almost last 3 years. Now that we have got through with the SRs which were there initiated, and we have signed an agreement with the Goodyear, who is the largest user of the silica worldwide. We will be producing silica out of this ash. So this will be a great value addition in the system, because we will be using the waste and converting it to the wealth. That announcement was there 2-3 days before, and international funders like FMO, which is one of the largest financial institutions in Europe, and DEZ based in Germany, have put in the money. It is a $43 million project, which is in our subsidiary company Usher Eco Power, which have been funded by them by way of 28 million as a loan, and 7.5 million as a equity by way of NCD in parent company, and then it will go to the subsidiary company as a mezzanine equity. Right. So these are the developments that has taken place.
Right. So this, we believe we are talking about the new green silica extraction plant that you will be coming out with soon. Can you share more details as to where exactly will you be coming out with this plant, and what are the developments on that front? Have you got the clearances and all?
Yes, see, it is a pure green project. If you look at the silica manufacturing presently, it is from the river sand or the earth crust. Both are environment non-friendly. Either river is being mined or land is being mined. In our case, we are extracting the silica from the energy waste, that is the ash from the rice husk, which is burned in power project. So our source is green, and also the technology is green. For precipitation, instead of sulfuric acid, we will be using carbon dioxide. And we have also entered into a definitive agreement with a Goodyear based in USA, who will lift the entire silica so produced, because they will be using and claiming those tires as a green tire. They are not only fuel efficient, but also they are not only fuel efficient but also cost effective, because there will be only conversion cost. Raw material is almost free. So it is a win-win scene, and it will change the industry forever, I am very sure. And worldwide, first time we have succeeded in extracting silica from the rice husk ash. So many attempts were made in past, but all have failed. We are the only company who has succeeded, and this is going to change the color of the industry. Also, it is going to immensely benefit the company and a group as a whole in times to come. Of course, it will take 3 to 4 years time to practically materialize all that what is there. It will be an international play. We will be using this technology and giving it to Thailand, Vietnam, Cambodia, even US. We will be discussing those projects. We will be doing it for them as well as for us. And the EBITDA margin in this business is going to be fabulous, and since it is a patented technology, so we are well protected, and we have an exclusive license on this count, and I am very, very positive and hopeful. In another 3-4 years time, you can see a very different scene emerging on the biomass based power sector so far India is concerned.
Right. So EBITDA margin looks good. You've got an exclusive patent as well for this particular technology. But you will only be collaborating with Goodyear for this. Are you also going to talk to other companies? Are you also going to be in partnership with other companies for this one?
We will be definitely going with others also. So far, tire application is concerned, we will have a exclusivity with the Goodyear because Goodyear is the largest manufacturer in the tire worldwide. So there is no point in supplying it to the other tire manufacturer. We will be giving it for the tire applications to Goodyear. We are also in talks with a few multinationals for the food application because it has a good use in dental as well as pharmaceuticals, and we are also with some sports guys. I will not divulge their name as of now because it is an advanced stage of discussion. So once we have the definitive agreements in place, we will announce them. But you will hear soon, the food applications will be tying up with the others. So far tire is concerned, we will be tied up with the Goodyear, and I see that is a win-win scene for us as well as for them. So I don't see any reason why should I be approaching any other tire manufacturer for a silica application.
Okay, so at least in the tire sector, it's going to be an exclusive agreement with Goodyear. Where will this plant be coming up here in India?
We have a very integrated plant. It is one of its own kind campus that we have at Mathura, wherein, you know, in one campus everything is there, and if I may use the word, probably this is the only campus in the country of such magnitude where we have all basic food, we have power, then we have dal, wheat, flour, everything, and then from this ash also silica. And this project which is upcoming is also adjacent to it. So it is an integrated agro complex, you can say, which will be in place in Uttar Pradesh, Mathura, which is 150 kilometers down towards Agra from Delhi.
Right. And also a quick word on the capacity that this plant will have initially, and in terms of the deal that you have with Goodyear for this one, if you could just share some details on that front.
So this plant will be of 20,000 ton. We have already established one small commercial plant of 2,000 ton per annum. Now this will be a 20,000 ton per annum. And just to put a perspective in place, the Goodyear uses more than 4 lakh ton of a silica year-on-year basis. So it will be not even 4 or 5% of their consumption, and it is a high-performing silica. Is a better vis-a-vis a conventional silica, and it also we are working on some additionality on the silicas to make it more, you can say, usable directly in the tire manufacturing. I am very, very positive on this. In my opinion, it is going to be a game changer.
All right, Mr. Chaturvedi, we'll leave it there. But appreciate you joining us here on NDTV Profit and sharing the details about this particular plant and new technology that you have developed, and we wish you good luck for this as well.